I think you are searching about wire connectors, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality wire connectors. Need free shipping wire connectors. Looking for push-in wire connectors made with modified nylon? Looking for wire connectors having good strip length? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best push-in wire connectors. Number 1. JoeCall push-in wire connectors, and the feature is insulation material, modified nylon. Contact material, phosphor copper. Solid wire size, 0.08 to 2.5 square millimeters. Fine stranded wires, 0.08 to 4.0 square millimeters. Strip length, 9 to 10 millimeters. Let's go for number 2. QGT push-in wire connectors, and the feature is insulation material, modified nylon. Contact material, phosphor copper. Rated current, 32A. Rated power 7 kW. Strip length, 9 to 10 millimeters. Let's go for number 3. Universal cable connector, and the feature is insulation material, modified nylon. Contact copper material. Nominal current, 32A. Size, 20.5 into 12.4 into 14.5 millimeters. Belt length, 9 to 10 millimeters.